every day. From the first Super AMOLED displays on mobile to lightning fast 5G connectivity to pro-grade cameras that transform the way you capture precious moments. Your evolving needs drive us to push beyond limits and reimagine what technology can do. And most importantly, what you can do with that technology. Last year, Samsung ushered in a new mobile AI era with our first AI phone. Since then, AI has rapidly evolved from text-based prompts to multimodal understanding. We have continued to lead the charge, accelerating the adoption of mobile AI for all. Because we believe that AI should be meaningful and accessible today. Galaxy AI has become your very own human-like AI companion, elevating the way you connect, create, and live every single day. And because innovation means nothing without trust, Galaxy AI was built with privacy at its core, helping your data stay protected at all times. When AI is paired with powerful mobile technology, it opens up a whole new world of opportunities. New form factors that are flexible yet immersive, versatile yet portable, and wearables that are no longer limited to your wrist. Your experiences will be even more powerful, dynamic, and intuitive. The biggest breakthroughs are made when hardware, software, and services challenge each other to grow. And we are excited to embrace this challenge. Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 represent the pinnacle of our innovation. This is more than just a new flip or fold. These foldables are setting a new bar and taking volatile phone experiences to another dimension with our most powerful, transformative hardware. Galaxy AI translates your word into action, and our latest camera sees, understands, and responds to you. Now, the Ultra experience is ready to unfold.